Okay, hello friends. Let us see the foramen of the cranial cavity and structure passing through it. So here in anterior part we can see the foramen cecum in the anterior cranial fossa, and it transmits the vein from the upper part of the nose to the superior sagittal sinus. Just to behind it we can see the posterior ethmoidal canal, and it passes the posterior ethmoidal vessels, and on the anterior part of the cribriform plate here we can see the anterior ethmoidal canal, and it transmits the anterior ethmoidal nerve and the vessels. Here is the optic canal, and it transmits the optic nerve as well as the ophthalmic artery. Then the superior orbital fissure, for the transmission of the structures it divides into three parts. From the lateral part, here it transmits the lacrimal nerve, frontal nerve, trochlear nerve, and superior ophthalmic vein. From the middle part, it transmits the upper and lower division of the oculomotor nerve, and in between two there is a nasociliary nerve passes and abducent nerve. And from the medial part, it transmits the inferior ophthalmic vein, sympathetic plexus around the internal carotid artery. So superior orbital fissure is there. Okay. Now here we can see foramen rotundum, and it transmits the maxillary nerve, which is the branch of the trigeminal nerve. Then internal acoustic meatus, and here on the petrous bone, and it transmits the 7th and 8th cranial nerve and labyrinthine vessels. 7th is the facial, 8th one is the vestibulocochlear nerve. For the other remaining foramen, you can see the video of the foramen of the norma basalis. Thank you.